Okay, prove that cos 6x equal to 32 cos 6x minus 48 cos 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. Okay, so first LHS equal to cos 6x. Cos 6x can be written as cos 2 into 3x. Okay, can be written as 2 into 3x, also written as cos 3 into 2x also. Okay, that means let 2x equal to a. Let 2x equal to a. So that means cos 6x equal to cos. So now put it 2x equal to a. That means cos 3a. Okay, cos 3a. So, but we know cos 3a formula. Using cos 3a equal to 4 cos qa minus 3 cos a. Okay, using this form. So, cos 3a equal to 4 cos qa minus 3 cos a. So, I am writing 4 cos qa minus 3 cos a. Okay, 3 cos a. Now put the value of a. 4 cos qa means, now put the value of a is 2x to the power 3 minus 3 cos 2x. Okay, cos 2x. But you know cos 2x equal to 2 cos square x minus 1, using this form, because in case of every term is cos term. Okay, no side term or no tan term, only the cos term, cos also cos. Okay, so now cos convert into only the cos component. So also written as 4 cos 2x also written as 2 cos square x minus 1. So that means 2 cos square x minus 1 to the power 3 minus 3 whole of cos 2x also written as 2 cos square x minus 1. But in case of here, this one a plus b, yes or no? A minus b whole cube. So that means a minus b whole cube is nothing but a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square. Using this formula, a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square equal to 4. So that means 2 cos square x to the power 3 minus b means 1 cube minus 3 into a means 2 cos square x to the power 2 square a square means what? Cos 2x whole square into 1 plus 3 into a means 2 cos square a means 2 cos square x, b means minus 1 whole square. Okay, and so next minus, so you multiply 3 inside the bracket, multiply 3 2 just 6 minus 6 cos square x minus will be plus 3 plus 3. Okay, now 4 whole of 2q 2 to the power 3 means 8 cos 2 power is also 2, power of power is always multiply. So that means cos 6th power of x minus 1q means 1 and minus 3 into, so 2 square means 4 cos power of 2 that is 2 2 is 4 cos fourth power x plus 3 2 ja 6 6 cos square x minus 6 cos square x plus 3. Okay, so equal, just multiply 4 2 ja 4 8 ja 32, 4 8 ja 32 cos to the power 6x minus 4 minus 3 4 ja 12, 4 ja 48 cos 4th power x minus minus will be plus 4 into 6, 4 into 6, that is 24 cos square x minus 6 cos square x plus 3. Okay, now in case of here, this one 24 cos square x minus 6 cos square, that is in like term. Okay, and 4 also, 4 and 3 is also like term, is nothing but 32 cos to the power 6th x minus 48 cos 4th power x plus 24 minus 6, 24 minus 6 means 18, 18 cos square x minus 4, here minus 4 plus 3, that is minus 1, is nothing but RHS. Okay, hence proved. Okay.